Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to add the Solana network on your Coinbase wallet. So once you're on your Coinbase wallet, you click on this last option over here. And when you click on the last option over here, I'll just take this back. Okay. So it will appear like this. If you want to check out if you will have the Solana network on your Coinbase wallet, click on this buy. So once you click on the buy over here, you see this network over here. And as you can see, this one is the best chain network. So to switch or to add the Solana network, click on this arrow over there. Once you click on the arrow, click on the search bar, then search for Solana. Once you search for Solana, click on Solana and then add it like that. So once you're done adding it, now you're in the Solana network and you can buy any token that is on the Solana network very, very simply. As you can see, some of the tokens on the Solana networks are over here. We have the bond fader. We also have the Solana token itself. We have the USDC, and I think we even have the USDT, if at all I'm not mistaken. Alright, we only have the USDC, but that's how to add the Solana network onto your Coinbase wallet. So you can go ahead and buy any token over here you want, and then do it or do with it anything you want. And that's how simple it is, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.